I will walk you through how to use your brand colors to create PowerPoint presentation with AI today. Step 1. Open Claude and type, create a 15-slide PowerPoint presentation for the history of internet, and press enter. And wait for Claude to generate the slides. Our slides are ready. You will notice that Claude chose colors for us, which may not be appropriate all the time. What if we want to choose our own colors? We can use colors from our logo or our entire brand, or color from an image. Step 2. We will repeat the same prompt and give Claude the colors to use. I will upload an image for Claude to use and tell it to use the color scheme from the image. And boom, it will format our slide using the colors we have provided. If this has helped you, please subscribe and drop a comment. See you in the next one.